Ingredients: 4 eggs, 1 liter of milk, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of water. Instructions: in a large bowl, whisk together the eggs and sugar until well combined. In a separate bowl, mix the cornstarch and water together until smooth. In a saucepan, heat the milk on medium heat until it starts to steam. Be careful not to let it boil. Once the milk is heated, gradually pour it into the egg mixture, whisking continuously to prevent the eggs from curdling. Add the vanilla essence to the mixture and stir well. Pour the mixture back into the saucepan and heat on medium-low heat, stirring continuously. Slowly add the cornstarch mixture to the saucepan, whisking continuously until the pudding starts to thicken. Keep stirring the pudding until it reaches the desired consistency. It should be thick enough to coat the back of a spoon. Remove the pudding from the heat and pour it into a serving dish. Allow the pudding to cool to room temperature, then chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Once chilled, the egg pudding is ready to serve. You can garnish it with fruits, nuts, or chocolate chips if desired. Enjoy your delicious homemade egg pudding.